What is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. Today we are going to be taking a look at the crypto gaming markets as always, and we're going to take a look at some projects that we're super bullish on, and a lot of these that are really at good entry levels in my opinion. Taking a look at the markets right now, there's a lot of projects rebounding today, and I think there is value to be found, and there's a lot of developments in a few projects that are going on that make me very bullish, as well as the entry levels that they present at this moment. So we're going to go ahead and get into a bunch of different projects in this video in crypto gaming that I'm super bullish on as of today and that I think are at value buys today. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button. We come out with brand new crypto gaming videos here on the channel every single day, and be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video and if you are bullish on crypto gaming just like I am. Let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, we're seeing a lot of projects rebound. We've told you over and over again that Phantasma Sol is going to really see some gains in this Q4. And right now we're almost 3x where we entered. We entered here on the channel. First time we talked about Sol at 80 cents, and it is almost at $2.20. And I'm super bullish still on Sol. I think Sol's still got a long way to go. I think you could see this thing at the end of the cycle above $500 million market cap easily. Phantasma is making noise, and they're gaining waves. They're finally getting a little more popular. Altura has seemingly been the hot smart NFT platform as far as buzz goes, and I'm still super bullish on Altura as well. But as far as what is going on in the market right now, Phantasma is getting that money that seems to maybe have trickled into other platforms from Altura. So that's good to see, and I'm really bullish on Phantasma. I think that Phantasma can get to about a $500 million market cap. I think that's realistic, and I think that might be even conservative. And same with Altura. I'll bundle them together, the smart NFT platforms. I'm super bullish on both of them, but I think that as far as market caps go, 500 million is the floor probably for these projects in Q4, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a $1 Altura this bull run, and I would honestly not be surprised on Phantasma to see a $5 Phantasma when all is said and done. And let's go ahead and get into Ultra, the gaming distribution platform, Steam of crypto gaming. This one explains itself, guys. This one's going to be massive. It's going to be a $1 billion market cap project, and I would get into this if you just need, if you're looking for a couple projects to just be stable, not a lot of downside risk, that's going to pay off. I would definitely go with Ultra. They're backed by AMD. They're backed by Ubisoft, Atari. They have all the elite partnerships to get a gaming distribution platform published, as well as have games on there. Ubisoft is making blockchain games. If you don't think they're going to use the gaming distribution platform that they're partnered with, well, you need to look into it, because that's definitely going to happen. SuperFarm, I've been telling you, SuperFarm's going to hit $3 this quarter, and I do think it's definitely on that track. I think we see probably around an $800 million to $1 billion market cap whenever this thing does start running up towards that $3 level. And if you take a look at SuperFarm, you're still super valuable as far as your buy-in position. All-time highs back here at about $4, $4.50. Right now, about 2.5x undervalued. So I do love SuperFarm. They're coming out with a lot of different developments. They have a metaverse development underway. They have the Imposters game. They have Super Shotgun that Alex Becker's working on. So I love that everything that Elio's putting on with SuperFarm, and I do think that SuperFarm goes $3, $4 in this bull run for sure. GameSwap gaming decks, and this one I'm really bullish on. They have some developments around the corner that are going to blow people's mind, and they're going to land some in-game assets potentially for games. It's speculation. They have a lot of rumors out there that they are landing in-game assets for one of the more highly spectacle projects, or highly speculative projects out there, and that would be Syndicate, the upcoming crypto game that is potentially a remake by EA of the Syndicate games in the past. And in my opinion, everything that GameSwap, we went over it in the Syndicate video if you missed it. It is a very hype project. No one really knows a lot of details. We dug into every detail about the Syndicate, but it seems to be that GameSwap could be potentially launching Syndicate's assets on their gaming decks. But regardless, it's bullish to see the developments here with weapons on their platform. You see the Sig Lear Winter 2020 edition, $26,000 for this one. And in my opinion, this just looks super clean. As far as a gaming dex, some platforms will opt to have a dex for the backbone of their transactions instead of having that infrastructure built in for themselves. And I think GameSwap asserts themselves as one of the major players there. And Vulcan Forged, although right now is the main player in the space, the market cap for GameSwap can't be ignored. $37 million market cap. I think this thing is easily a $250 million project on the low end whenever this thing takes off. And if the speculation materializes and Syndicate's assets are truly on GameSwap, if that gets announced eventually, then this thing is going to go parabolic. I can guarantee it. IOI, I'm still super bullish on IOI, and it's almost down, to a point where I would say it's a safe buy level. You're taking it pumped all the way up to new all-time highs, and it's definitely corrected with a bunch of alts correcting over the last couple of days as well. But you take a look at IOI and you go to their website here. They have their V2, as we've been saying, of their TRM2 Rich Racer game coming up. You go to their website, the next gen trading simulator, play to earn IOI tokens, build your own racing team, and compete fully in 3D. And it's a trade racing game. You make price predictions, and that's like the better that your car does. Obviously, your cars are NFTs. You take a look at the next gen trading simulator, full 3D experience, play to earn, own and manage NFTs, and build your own racing team. I'm very bullish on TRM and IOI token. You take a look at the vehicles, the racers, the teams, the tracks, everything about this project, and they are building in TRM2 a metaverse. As you see here on the right, you're picking out your locations. They are building a metaverse style platform for the V2 of TRM2, and they have a playable game out right now. If you are looking for a play to earn game, IOI actually pays more. If you were to invest in some NFTs and get going, you have to get your feet under you to really get the earning potential going. But they do have the potential to earn $200 a day, and that is a little bit higher than what Axie is paying out, and that is something that this game really like their in-game earning economy is really strong. I love IOI, and I think this thing is going to bust through all-time highs. And at $20 million market cap, this thing is vastly undervalued. This is a $50+ million project, in my opinion, on the safe side. NFT Champions, this is probably my favorite low-cap game on the blockchain right now. I've emphasized this multiple times. NFT Champions is literally looking to be the closest thing to blockchain Pokemon that I have seen so far. You take a look at these characters, they're so clean. The team behind this worked on Fallout, Final Fantasy, Street Fighter. They are doxed. You can take a look at their white paper. You can take a look at sigmastudios.net. They are doxed there, and you take a look at his play to earn, where you buy, train, and sell rare NFTs, win prizes in online PvP matches, earn passive rewards by holding champ land and NFTs, and complete raids to win NFTs and item drops. They have their tokenomics and key future events, and their marketing and a lot of gameplay developments are going on throughout the next 2 months. November and December are a very bullish month for NFT Champions, as they have a lot on the way. You just take a look at every bit of the art for the game is great. You can take a look at the campaign, ultimate team, journey, massive multiplayer, online battles, and rare NFTs, and then the gameplay video. This is a new gameplay video since the last NFT Champions video that we made, and this is just absolutely clean. This literally looks like Pokemon, and the characters, the detail on these characters looks so sick. Like this dog character over here on the left side is just so clean. Every bit of the animations, these attacks, I think that this game is definitely going to pick up steam whenever it gets in the mainstream. And I want to point out one thing about this project. It's only on 2 exchanges, guys, Gate.io and QuickSwap. So right now, it is severely, severely undervalued, in my opinion, because whenever this thing hits KuCoin and whenever this thing hits other exchanges, Pancakes, if it hits PancakeSwap, if it hits other types of exchanges, dexes, this thing is going to start getting more exposure. Not a lot of people use Gate.io or QuickSwap, but if you get involved with Champ, you're definitely early still. And a lot of people in the community got involved in the 20 cents, 30 cents range, so this thing is absolutely performing, and we're looking for definitely a lot of adoption for this project as they market their platform, and they have centralized exchange listings coming up, so I love NFT Champions. I want to get into one we covered a few weeks ago, guys. I told you that gaming DAOs are going to be big. The affiliation with a DAO that is basically collecting in-game assets for the betterment of the community is basically what a gaming guild is doing. They are collecting in-game assets, is a hub that aims to create the largest virtual world economy by sponsoring play-to-earn gamers, investing in play-to-earn games along with their assets, and building tools that will enhance the future of gaming and metaverse. A lot of people in the Telegram chat got in around like $2.60 to like $3 in that range, anywhere from there. So this thing is definitely performing, and we look at this project at $5 million market cap. Good Games Guild is just severely undervalued. And you look at it versus Yield Guild Games, a $400 million project. And I think Good Games Guild has a lot of potential. We believe in the future of gaming for the NFT and blockchain technology. So we carry the mission to become the biggest hub for virtual world economy, NFT gaming, and community and marketplace. Apply to earn. You can rent to earn. Where you don't have time to play, you can keep watching. You can rent your NFTs to be used by their scholars, so you will get a portion of the reward, and you can stake to earn. So I absolutely love this layout. You have their roadmap here, which they seem to be on track. Their investors are big OKEX, NGC Ventures. Illuvium is an investor in Good Games Guild. So you can only assume that the Good Games Guild is going to be participating in the Illuvium economy. So I absolutely love that. Twin Apex Capital, AU21 Capital. So I love what the investors that they have. And then you take a look at their partners. These are probably some of the games they're going to be working with, their economies. Good Games Guild is vastly undervalued at $4.5 million market cap. This is, I mean, conservatively, this is a 10x potential project. And I don't like to say that an asset's going to 10x. This has 10x potential. If you're just looking at market cap potential, you're looking at all the peripherals, you go down to the exchange it is listing on, it's only on Gate.io and PancakeSwap. Once again, another undervalued asset that is just on a couple platforms, and this is just a platform that I think is going to be massive in the future, with the association with a gaming DAO that is working to build off in-game assets. Everything considered, with a gaming DAO listed on only a couple exchanges, the low market cap, their partners, investors, everything that Good Games Guild has going. I'm very bullish on Good Games Guild, and we got in around $2.60 today. This thing is absolutely pumping today. So do your own research, try to find an entry point, but I'm super bullish on this project. You're still very early, $4.5 million market cap. So this thing has loads to go as far as potential. Thetan Arena is one as well. We got in on the Telegram chat, and guys, join the Telegram chat if you haven't already. We also opened up a VIP Discord channel recently upon request, because we have 2,500 people in our Telegram chat. It's just a little too hectic. So there's options for a private and a public group for absolutely free. And Thetan Arena is one that we got in on under $9. It is about $9.22 right now. Thetan Arena, they're coming out with their Battle Royale game on the 20th of this month. Their beta got a lot of good hype and a lot of good praise, and the gameplay honestly does look super sharp. If you're talking about a play-to-earn game, right? Like, there's not a lot of games out there that are truly like playable out. Like, a lot of them are just like turn-based games. This is a literal Battle Royale action shooter type of game. It is on iOS, Android, and desktop, and it is super basic, but this is the type of game that users can easily adopt. They can play on their phones. You're playing to earn. It's a shooter. It's a battle royale. The biggest games in gaming right now are battle royales. Warzone, Fortnite, Apex Legends. You can just go down the list. All the biggest games right now are battle royales. They do have, obviously, the advertisement here for battle royale. Thetan Arena is an esports game based on blockchain technology, where you can gather your friends, form a team, and battle with others to earn money with just your skills. Play for free now, Android, iOS, and PC. Everything about this project checks out to me, from their tokenomics to their NFTs. Their NFTs will be like their characters. Like that one right there, the Radon, that's the one, whenever I was going through them, like that's the one I would want right there. That thing is icy. But you just take a look at everything from the peripherals. It gives off a really Fortnite feel. The cartoon character, they're fully doxed. I think that this does give off a mobile Fortnite type of feel. They're backed by Animoca Brands, DFC, or I think that's DFG, Spark Digital Capital, AU21 Capital. And if you've noticed, if you just go back on our videos, we invest in a lot of projects, guys, that do really well with Animoca, AU21 Capital, and Spark Digital Capital. Do your own research, but I think that Thetan Arena is going to absolutely blow up, and it is a decent sized market cap. Don't get me wrong. It's already a $265 million market cap, but this is an in-game economy that is about to be having players inside of the economy, players earning, players flowing, moving the economy forward, and that is the whole point. And I think that the Thetan Arena project still is in its infancy. Obviously, when they get their game economy rolling, you go into their community, they are passionate about this project, guys, like very, very passionate. So I love this project. At anything around the low to under $9 range, I would definitely try to pick up some Thetan Arena. And let's get into PolkaCity real quick, last couple projects. PolkaCity, they are coming out with a bunch of different NFT drops and still kind of undervalued. I think that this thing has really cooled off since its pump, and I think it's a lot healthier to enter at this point in time. As you see here, it had kind of an unhealthy pump here, but it's kind of consolidated quite a bit. But you take a look, they are having their 3D, and their NFT sales right now. And you take a look, they have everything from like dogs, bikes, canoes, motorcycles, Lambos, but Polka Yacht, like there's so many different things here. They are building the GTA of the metaverse. This is not a secret. PolkaCity is, I think, going to be huge, and this just makes me even more bullish. Sure, you can take a lot of art out and just put them in here as NFTs, but you can take a look at their videos, take a look at like their sample world concepts and their trailers. Everything checks out for PolkaCity for me, and I think it will be the biggest Polkadot metaverse, and this all looks awesome to me. I think that like the idea of a Polkadot ecosystem, Grand Theft Auto type of ecosystem is going to be awesome. Lastly but not least, Cryowar is going on KuCoin, I believe, on the 12th. I believe they're trading on KuCoin after the IDO on the 12th. So you can try to get your hands on Cryowar. I know this is one of the more hype projects right now around the blockchain. As you see here, thanks to all participants in CWAR on the Cetify IDO today. They had their successful IGO today. And it was a big thank you to the CWAR participants, and it will be listed tomorrow on KuCoin.com at a list price of 2.8 cents. So you can get the details on KuCoin for that. I'll be trying to see if I can get in early, but beware. Some of these projects like Mines of Delarnia was way overhyped. I don't think Cryowar's getting that type of hype based on the watch lists versus Mines of Delarnia. So be careful. If this market cap is too high, wait for it to come down a little bit. But I'm going to try to snipe Cryowar when it goes live and try to get in on this one early. Cryowar is like a mobile game. It looks super clean, and I'm definitely trying to get in early on this one. And that would be, as far as like my bonus of the video, this would be probably my bonus of the video as it goes live on KuCoin on the 12th of November. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, guys. Overall, I'm super bullish on every single project I talked about today. I think that they're all at pretty good entry points. Emphasis on NFT Champions, Good Games Guild, Thetan Arena, PolkaCity, and IOI. I think all of those have insane entry levels right now to be able to get involved in. And then I also think that if you look at GameSwap, super undervalued gaming decks. And then as always, I'm bullish on Phantasma, Ultra, SuperFarm, Altura, all those platforms. So as usual, stay bullish, guys. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. We are almost to 25,000 subs. Absolutely crazy. And I can't believe that we're actually growing this quickly. So I greatly appreciate that very much. But we'll be back tomorrow with another video, guys. Stay bullish. Keep hustling. Peace.